Ferry Road, workshop doors open, tools on the bench, cruiser in the door. This isn't just another bolt-on job. This is something new.
Morning guys, welcome back to Southern Buckets and Beasts.
Shield Offroad Bullbar.
So we've got a few developments going on here. Got my other mate, Rowan number 2 here. Thanks for coming, mate.
A Rugcel 13.5 winch.
So Shield Offroad, I just want to say thank you so much for reaching out to us and designing their very first 70 series bullbar. So we're going to put this onto my 76 series Beast today, and we'll definitely be taking some photos and pictures how it's been done, and we will go out hopefully next weekend and test it out. And got a nice Rugcel Offroad 13,500 pound winch. See if we can maybe get a Pajero stuck somewhere and winch it out. And maybe a Touareg, somebody I know. And yeah, and obviously typical South African fashion. I've got a braai there in the back. Definitely have some boerewors there, and have a feed too. So please stay tuned as we'll start cooking this up.
Bar, built in the workshop, built to survive.
Hi guys, we're fitting the bullbar. I've never done it myself. Did Hunter's place in Ferry Road, and he actually gave me a hand. We unboxed it, took all the plastic, took all the measurements. Nice LED fog lights, works mint. Flip up the number plate. Got the winch installed. Tested it, works. And Hunter's going to join me, and he will explain a bit more what he does at his workshop.
Yeah, thanks everyone. So we are here at my workshop on Ferry Road, TTA Ferry Road. Yeah, this is basically what we do. We do bullbars, lift kits, any upgrade on your 4x4 that you need, rooftop tents, overlanding boxes. So yeah, that's basically what we do here. And then Ron keeps us busy most of the weekends. A little bit of 4-wheel driving, go out with the boys and make sure we enjoy what we do as well. And yeah, congratulations, I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you so much, sir.
That's right.